users, welcome back. Streamit comes in 4 different versions and Flutter is one of them. So in today's video, we will see how to set up Streamit in iOS. Let's have a look. Open Flutter and then go to terminal. Here, run the command flutter pub get. Wait till the command executes. It will install the code of the third-party packages. Then run pod install command. By doing so, all the third-party packages will be installed. Attach your iOS device or start an iOS emulator. Then select your device and run. Now your setup is complete and ready to use. You can see the preview. If you are new to this channel and want to know more about Streamit, then click on that I button. To buy Streamit and other such products, check out our link in the description. So chill it and stream it.